my secret to shine pots, toilet sinks, and more fast and economical. To start this tip today, in a container, I will add half a cup of laundry soap. Next, we will also use toothpaste. The ideal amount for this mixture is a tablespoon. Just the small amount of these two ingredients will bring a cleaning that you need for a long time. And still did not know, the ideal for this mixture is also the use of vinegar. The ideal amount for the mixture is 200 milliliters. In contact with the washing powder, we should just wait until the foam subsides, and then mix very well until it completely dilutes the soap and toothpaste. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch us to. Send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Sonia Locke. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. To facilitate the dilution, I will also use half a cup of water, assisting directly in the yield of the product. Another indispensable item in the production of this tip, and that acts directly on the removal of fat, is baking soda. We use only 1 tablespoon. Mixing once again, I will also add half a cup of water, and with this, our mixture will be ready for use. We can already notice that this tip has a better consistency than all products sold in the markets. Now, to facilitate the use of this mixture, I will put all the liquid in a spray bottle, which will make the application easier. To avoid waste, I will also use a funnel and put all the liquid in the container. With this, we can already use our mixture. The first way to use this tip is directly on the toilet. When applying a small amount of the product, it makes it very simple to remove yellowish spots. Just rubbing easily with a brush, I can remove all stains. This tip is for all your bathroom and will surely thank me for the ease in cleaning for use in the kitchen. It is very simple. And just putting the product directly on the dishes, or even in this very stained pan, already removes almost all stains without even rubbing. This tip is very useful and I always use it in my house. It makes any cleaning easier. Tell me later if you got the same result I have whenever I use this mixture in my home. Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.